Good morning students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is percentage and its applications. Already you have read about percentage in class 7. So today in this continuing to this chapter we will discuss some of the key points relating to this chapter. Okay. So what does percentage means? Percentage of definition we can tell that percent means per 100. Okay, per 100. Suppose here 30% is given. How to convert? So percentage symbol is this symbol is used for percentage. 30% we can convert into fraction. How it is? 30 upon 100. So 30% can be written in fraction as 30 upon 100. And in decimal, how we can write? That is 0.30, that is 0.3. Okay, 0.30 and 0.3 both are same. So this is in decimal. Similarly, suppose 0.64 is a decimal number. How to convert into fraction? This will be 64 by 100, and in percentage we can write 64%, because here denominator is 100 is there. So we can write in percentage as 64%. Look at here, 3 upon 20 is a fraction. How to write in percentage? Let's see here. 3 upon 20 can be converted into percentage as 3 upon 20 into 100. So here 20 can be write as 25 is 100, because 100 can be divisible by 20 and 5 both. So 25 is 100. 3 into 5 is 15. So we got here 15%. So 3 upon 20 is equal to 15%. So look at here, one more application, 25% of 80. How to find 25% of 80? So 25% means 25 by 100, and of means multiply, and rupees 80 here. So 0 0 cut here, and 2 can be divisible. 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. So 5 into 4 can be written as 20. So what is 25% of 80? That we got the value 20. And what is 20? That is rupees 20. Now continuing to our discussion, some of the key points we will discuss again. Okay, so percent means per 100, and we can write as in fraction and decimal both here, and 15% means here, and the percentage symbol is used here. Now look at here, percentage increase or decrease. What is percentage increase or decrease? Whenever there is a situation when like this, increase 320 by 20%. So first we have to find out the what is 20% of 320. Then we can add that increased value with the original value. So find out 320 of means into 20%. So here 0 can be cut, here 0 can be cut. So 32 into 2 how much? 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So you got 20% of 320 is 64. Now add this value 64. So 320 plus this is the original value plus this is the increased value, that is a 64. So you can write this is the increased value. Okay, so 320 plus 64 how much? 4 here, 6 to 8 and 324. So you got the value 324. What is 324? After the increased value, the new value will be 324, because here 20% increased from the original value. And what is 20% of 320? That is 64. So 64 can be added to the original value, that is 320, and the new value is 384. Now continuing from our discussion, we will add some key points more. How to find one quantity as a percentage of other. So there is a quantity or two quantity are there. So to find one quantity as a percentage of the other quantity. So look at this example, express 30 centimeter as percent of 2 meter 40 centimeter. So what is the process? First we'll convert both into the same unit. So here 30 centimeter is given, but here 2 meter 40 centimeter is given. So 2 meter 40 centimeter equal to how much meter? 2 into 100 plus 40, that is 240 centimeter. We have all converted this 2 meter 40 centimeter into centimeter, that is 240 centimeter. Now the next step is, what is the required percentage? It is asking in percent. So the required percent equal to required percentage equal to, so this one we have to express 30 centimeter. So write 30 in the numerator and percentage of this other quantity, that is 240 into 100. How much we got here? So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja, again it is 2 6 ja, 2 15. So 15 into it can be again further divisible, 3 2 ja 6, then 3 5 ja. So 25 upon 2, that is we can write it is a improper fraction, we can convert into mixed fraction. So 2 12 ja 24 1. So 12 whole 1 by 2 percentage is the required percentage. Okay, so we have converted this 30 centimeter as a percentage of this quantity, that is 2 meter 40 centimeter. What is the required percentage? That is 12 whole 1 by 2%. Now adding to our discussion, let us learn two more formulas. If percentage change we have to find out. Percentage change formula is actual change. Actual change means we can do it with the difference of the increase or decrease, the difference amount upon the original quantity into 100 is the formula of this percentage change. And one more formula, that is called percentage error. We have to find out how much error percentage, that in percentage. So first we have to find out the error, then error by the actual value into 100 is the percentage error. Okay, we will use it further in this formula in our word problem. Okay, so using this formula of percentage error, now we will solve a word problem. The word problem say that the distance between two places was 200 kilometer. It was measured as 280 kilometers. So what is the actual distance? That is 200 kilometer, and we have measured that into 280 kilometers. So first we have to find out the error. So it is a error that already 280 kilometers is mentioned. So what is the error or the difference? The error or difference is 280. By mistake it is given 280 kilometer minus what is the actual distance, that is 200 kilometer. So minus it, we will get the error, that is 80 kilometer. So 80 kilometer is the error. We already got the error. Now what is the percentage error? Question is asking find out the percentage error. So what is the formula? Percentage error equal to error upon actual value into 100, that is the percentage. So what is error? We got the error is 80. So percentage error equal to error upon actual value is how much? That is 200. So write here 200 into how much? Into 100. That much percentage. So 0 0 cut here, 240. So what you got here? 40%. So 40% is the error percentage of this question. So the distance between two places already given the actual value, and the default, what is the mistake value or the error value is 280. So 280 minus 200 is the difference or the error, and using this formula percentage error, the error upon the actual value into 100, that we got 40%. Okay.